friendship is very important for several reasons. Firstly, friends provide emotional support and companionship, helping us navigate through life's challenges and celebrate its joys. They offer a sense of belonging and understanding that can be comforting and reassuring. Secondly, friendships contribute to our mental and emotional well-being. Having close friends to confide in can reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation, boost self-esteem, and improve overall happiness. Friends can also provide different perspectives and advice, helping us grow and develop as individuals. Furthermore, friendships can lead to opportunities for personal growth and new experiences. Through our friends, we can learn about different cultures, interests, and viewpoints, expanding our horizons and enriching our lives. In summary, friendship is important because it provides support, companionship, emotional well-being, personal growth, and enriching experiences. Cultivating and nurturing friendships can lead to a fulfilling and meaningful life.